Skittles, say hello. I know you will. Come on, say hello. 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 Come on. Hello. Pet the bird. You love Mama? Do you love your Mama? Say hello. Say hello. Skittles, say hello. Hello. You did. Hello. You said hello for the camera, didn't you? Do you miss Mama? Did Mama come and see you? Hey, do you love Mama? Do you love Mama? Pet the bird. I pet the bird, yes. Hello. Hello. You ready to go to bed? Skittles. Skittles. Hello. Hello. How about say good night? Look at, there's a bird on the camera. Who's that? Is that you? Hello. Say hello, Mama. Say hello. Give me a kiss. Can I have a kiss? Can I pet the bird? Can I pet the bird? Can I pet him? Can I pet that bird? Step up. No, step up. No, I'm pet the bird. Do you love Mama? Say hello. Hello. Yeah, you're a squawker, aren't you? Do you love Mama? Say yes. Hey. Say hello. Say hello. Hello, Dominic. Say hello. You get the bird. Say hello, Dominic. Who's that pretty bird in the picture? I know, LB. Bird's going to bed, then you can get on Mama. LB wants up here, but you're up here. Hey, you. What? Say hello to the pretty bird. Look at the pretty bird. Who's that pretty bird in there? Huh? I see a pretty bird named Skittles.